In the heart of the sea, a group of fishermen chanced upon a struggling pelican, its beak ensnared in fishing wire. Unable to feed, the bird's fate seemed sealed unless someone intervened. Without hesitation, the fishermen approached the frightened pelican, their hands steady, their hearts filled with compassion. Gently, they cut away the fishing wire, freeing the bird's beak. Fear turned into calm as the pelican understood their intentions. Once free, the pelican soared into the sky, leaving behind the men who'd saved its life. The fishermen watched with gratitude, knowing their small act of kindness had made a big difference. So remember, even in the vast expanse of this world, our actions matter. Like these fishermen, we can all play our part in protecting wildlife, one act of kindness at a time.